back, derailed, derailed. You have a good one, 628, stepping back.
Big old train wreck around Western Oregon.
Oop, I just dropped the nickel.
Gonna go away. Yeah, well, I can't hold it though, Fat Rat. Fat Rat, I'm calling you Fat Rat. I got Fat Rat on the brain, 8270. Pirates out here. He's still drinking coffee. More than just derail, too. Hey, derail, 270, Georgia sounding great, and I'm going to back out and let you guys do your thing, Pirates. Southern Cal, we're back listening.